Ever had that sinking feeling your Deebot T10 just gave up the ghost? You know, the one where the main brush is stuck, groaning and grinding. You might be tempted to just ignore it, but trust us, it's not worth the risk. That little problem, it can turn into a big mess, very expensive, potentially dangerous mess. A faulty main brush motor is a recipe for disaster. The motor might be jammed with hair and debris, making it overheat and even cause a fire. Plus, an overworked motor can damage internal components and void your warranty. And nobody wants to spend a small fortune on a replacement Deebot. Don't let a simple motor problem turn your life upside down. It's like a nagging cough that can become a full-blown cold. You need to address it before it becomes a disaster. A quick trip to RoboCare can prevent this nightmare. Our expert technicians can replace your faulty brush motor and perform a deep clean to keep your Deebot running smoothly for years to come. At RoboCare, we're here to prevent worst-case scenarios and provide expert repairs, keeping your Deebot T10 running smoothly and your home sparkling clean. We're meticulous about our work, ensuring the motor is securely installed and the vacuum is thoroughly cleaned before it's returned to you. Simply book your repair online, and our expert technicians will handle everything. We offer convenient pickup and delivery options, or bringing your robot vacuum directly to our service center. Ready to see the amazing results? And ta-da! With a new main brush motor and a deep cleaning service, the Deebot T10 is back to its dust-busting best. No more frustration, just sparkling clean floors. Hear what our customers have to say about their RoboCare experience.
I'm so grateful to RoboCare for saving my beloved Deebot T10. It was like getting a brand new robot vacuum. The main brush spins perfectly, and my floors are sparkling clean again.
If your robot vacuum is acting up, don't waste time trying to fix it yourself. Go straight to RoboCare. Call RoboCare today. We're here to make your life easier